Okay, today guys I'm going to show you the rest of my lighters. Now I have quite a few. I'll try to show them all. I might not get to each one specifically, but I'll just show them all. Okay, this is it. And these all work good. They have a little rim one right here. Take it, slide it. I have two of those. Then I got some of these. Some of them are broken, like that. So see a blowtorch. And I have a beer bottle one. It's supposed to be like the Genius type beer. Got a little clover right there on it. It works. Yeah, mostly just have a bunch of other ones. Got some of these cool car ones. You move the side, turn on. Lights up red. Mostly I just have a bunch of random ones. Yeah. Yeah, I got some of these disposable ones with cases. Has that case on it. Works pretty good. Most of these do. There's one in here has. That ain't the one. Got a big flame on her. Then we'll mostly just have some other ones, kind of like these, butane. Moves when you push a button. Pretty neat. Has a little light up thing on it. Pretty nice. Then I have some of these single ones. Nice. Bunches of random ones. This one got a little keychain on it. Just a random flick open. I have a couple of these. Now these are really useful. They have the 3 flame, so you can really get stuff burning if you want to start a fire or something. Then there's some other ones that got some grip on it. You just grip it, you take it, and you do that, it turns on. This one currently doesn't work. We got this one. Open up. Kinda works. Got some of these. A bunch of random ones. Some clear ones. I think one's like... Here, let me find it real quick. Well, I don't know where it's at. There's some clear ones. I think that might be it. It's clear. I think that's like prison people. So they can't hide stuff inside. It's got a little flap on it. You just do that. Doesn't work. It's a bunch of random ones. Well, that's mostly gonna be it for today, guys. Tune in next time. Some random videos. I think this is a lighter. Nope, never mind. It's just a plain skateboard. Weird. Okay, that's it. Today, guys. Subscribe for more.